Hello students, welcome back to No Edge. Today we shall see chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10 CBSE. We will continue with exercise number 3.2, question number 6. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so is formed. Intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. So it is said that there is one linear equation in two variables given and we need to form a pair for it, meaning you have to create another equation so that using both the equations we have to find a solution so that we get intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. For this we need not draw anything on the graph, we just have to find out the two equations and so show it that they actually satisfy the conditions for all these three solutions. Okay, now let's start. Now here is the equation. We need to find a pair for this so that we satisfy the three conditions for solving these pair of linear equations in two variables. So you remember the conditions. What are the three conditions that will satisfy the pair of linear equations? See, one is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then another one is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Then the other one is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. These three conditions will give you different solutions. Okay, now let's start with the first one. The first condition we have here is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. This is what we have to satisfy now. So from here this is a1, this is b1. Okay, so this is not required because c1 and c2 are not there. So what will we do? You have to find such a number that this becomes a1 and a2 and b1 and b2 will not be equal to one another. For example, you see, let me write 3 here, 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. From here I can take a1 and a2 is a1 is 2, a2 is 3, then b1 is 3 and b2 is 2. Are they equal to one another? Not at all. So this satisfies this condition, right? So it means they will give you intersecting lines. Okay, now that's all with the first condition. Now let's do the second one. 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, the second condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This is what we have to satisfy so that we get an equation. So let's do a1 and a2. If all the three terms to be, if you want it to be equal, then what do you need to do? I'll give you a small idea. You just multiply all by the same number. See, for here, for example, here, let me multiply this by 3, multiply this by 3 and multiply this by 3. Okay, for example, I'm saying 3. It's not that you have to use only 3. So if I multiply this by 3, I will get 6x, then 3 into 3 is 9y. Okay, then multiply this by 3 is 24 is equal to 0. Now let's try this out. 2 by 6 plus 3 by 9 minus 8 by minus 24. Okay, so let me write here again. This gives 2 by 6, 3 by 9 minus 8 and minus 24. See how this works out. I am going to use this 2 is the number which I can divide both by, so 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, again 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9, here 1 8s are 8, 3 8s are 24. So here minus and minus gets cancelled. So this is very important. If you want everything to be equal, then you copy the sign also. So if you put plus here, then this will be different. Then you cannot say that C1 and C2 are equal to the other two things. Okay, so now here this is solved. So this says that 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Got it? So if all three are equal, then what kind of a line does it form? Remember, they will give you coincident lines. So coincident lines. Okay. Now for the third condition is, you know that it is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. For this, to satisfy this, what do we do now? Let me say that you want only the first two things, A1 and A2 and B1 and B2 to be equal to one another. C1 and C2 is not required, need not be equal. So let me say you multiply this by 2 and then multiply this also by 2. So let's see what happens. 2 2s are 4x plus 3 2s are 6y, and leave it. We do write some number because this is not going to be equal anyway, so you can write any number. So let me write 9. Okay, is equal to 0. Now let's see. A1 and A2 is 2 by 4, B1 and B2 is 3 by 6, C1 and C2 is minus 8 by minus 9. Okay, now I'm going to solve this. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then again 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, minus and minus cancel. Okay, what do we get now? 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is not equal to 8 by 9. Got it? So you are able to satisfy this condition now here. So what will this form? These will form parallel lines. Okay, the third one is also solved now. Now that's all for this. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.